Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the real, the original, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I got this in the mail. This is from UPMA, 333 South Main Street in Alpine, Utah. And so I signed up for this because what this is, the UPMA is doing a thing, and you get a thing called Goldbacks. There's gold in our envelopes, and if you have not heard about this, this is the Goldback, one Utah Goldback, and this is real gold coated, and it is one thousandth of a troy ounce of gold for circulation in Utah. And Utah is the first state in the country that is trying to work to push the United States to go back on the gold and silver standard. So when I found out about this through Spectacular, I thought this was really cool, and I didn't think they were to send me one of these. But look at that. I may put that in just a frame. I'm not going to spend it. Now, what you do on this is denominations available including the 1, 5, 25, 10, and 50. Email us to send a set of fixed gold back rate for 10 days. Ways to obtain the gold back: ACH transfer, check, wire transfer, or metals exchange. And you write them, you sign up for this, and they will send you gold backs, and this is a voluntary currency. It can be owned and used in any state since it's also a gold product. And you can go to stores in Utah if you have enough of these. They give you gold backs depending on what you deposit, and you can buy stuff with these. So this is real gold currency. So, and I've got to do a little more investigating on this. So they send you gold backs, and you just deposit money. And I thought I read something where you actually get physical gold too. If you get enough gold backs, they give you gold. So, but this is really neat, and it says Prudenti on the face, and there's a howling wolf. So I don't know if you can see that, the glare, but it's still cool. I'm going to put that back in the envelope. And I will get a hold of them and say, what do I do? They have a phone number, but with the holidays, it's always hard to get hold of somebody. And I'll see if I can deposit a little bit of money into my Goldback account. I have an account set up for gold. And so it'd be kind of fun. And I turn the thing off. And you can look for Goldbacks yourself and do an investment account for gold in the state of Utah. And it's Yogi Berra said, it's just like money. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm paraphrasing. I'm not sure if I got the quote right. Have a great night. It is 3 minutes to 6. It's actually warm in here. It's 72 degrees. I don't know what happened to this heat wave all of a sudden when I was freezing last night. Stay warm and dry. I don't think anyone wants to be wet or cool. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.